Alright guys, how you guys doing? Happy weekend to every one of you. We are here to talk about Natasha versus Akpabio. You know, say the matter is still pending, it's still right there. Now, Deji, I don't want you to come out and say, may Natasha bring evidence come out, make we help her. You know, since they don't give her the room, make she express what actually happened. So bring the evidence out, let's do this with you. You know, let's help you. But there's a big question mark on that statement from Deji. But before I will say anything at all, listen to what Deji have to say.
Senator Natasha should, as a matter of, since they have refused to give her fair hearing in the Senate, let her make public credible evidence to back up the claim. It's very easy. The man has said he is a lie. I did not do anything to her. So if there are messages, maybe, oh, please come over to so place, reveal them, expose the man. Do you understand? After all, he who alleges must prove. Why are you protecting the man? If it is true that, for instance, if somebody harasses me in this office, if the person harasses me and I try to get justice here and I'm not getting justice, let her bring forward the evidence so that we can help her. After all, the media we can help amplify the matter. You understand? So this is another issue that I think, another way that I think she can get justice in the matter, by amplifying the messages and other issues. After all, she said there are witnesses, although some of the witnesses have denied. They said that nothing of such happened. I think one of the witnesses was Iziba Midele. He said the thing never happened. So, but if she has other witnesses and other things, let her bring it forward so that we can help her fight, the good fight. But many of the opposition senators are happy that Natasha was suspended. The reason that they gave was that she got a committee that she did not deserve, which is, you know, the lucrative local content committee. And they are, again, maybe it's out of envy or competition, you know, these things. It's about political survival. Now, why will she be given that committee, that local content committee? Why didn't they give it to a ranking member or a former governor? Do you understand? Former governor even told me, who is in the Senate, told me that, Haba, why will you go and give that kind of committee to the lady? And you now subsequently went to go and collect it back. And it is true. If you knew that you were not going to leave her in the committee, why did you give her the position? You understand? And that is why it looks like as if it is witch hunting. Do you understand? The issues she has raised, the committee ought to have sat, listened to both parties. Do you understand? The Senate President ought to have recused himself, sincerely recused himself from presiding over that matter.
When I hear what Deji talk, why would anybody bring out evidence to social media? I disagree with that. The only places normally you supposed to tender your evidence supposed to be in the court, and at that one the Senate they avoid. So I disagree. Let them create a platform where a voice can be heard. Let them start the investigation. Putting your evidence on social media, as for now, no, because this is what these people want Senator Natasha to do. I disagree. Meanwhile, there are some people who went on the street again yesterday protesting against Senator Natasha. According to the video one I watch, so these women for the video say now one particular woman I carry us no come protest against Natasha, but we don't know who be Natasha, what did the Natasha do, but we are just here to protest against the Natasha. You see where we find ourselves, my people. You where they watch me say, not concern me, I better not talk about that topic, don't worry. God forbid though, because I love you. I know say you love me, and I make you to watch my video. But God forbid, make injustice not visit you. Now then you will know, see, people wey don dey cry tele say make we fight against injustice. They were not just fighting for themselves alone. They were fighting for themselves and the prospective persons that might encounter injustice.
We are currently here at the Eagle Square in Abuja, where protesters are gathered. And most of the protesters we spoke to here do not even have an understanding of why they are gathered here. But we spoke to the women and they told us that they were called by a particular woman in their community to come protest against Senator Natasha.
They called me that one woman for our area, he invited us, say we should come out, come and follow her to celebrate and to look for something, look for what we go help ourselves to chop. That's why we follow her come. So we come, we plenty.
I can't remember her name, but we are in Kobe Makaranta, Sokoro village. This is my first time coming. So the way she introduced to me, she said that we should come, there is a protest out, we should come and join her so that we'll do the protest together. I did not understand where, but she was saying that there is this protest that we can go around and be protesting for people. If this group will come, this group will come, and so we'll stand and protest for them. No, she said after the protest there is a gift, and that's what she said.
And we spoke to the women leader who claimed they were not going to pay these women, but they were going to give them transport.
I did not hire women to come out today. I mobilized women. Okay. We are here this morning as women to support the decision of the Senate to curb indiscipline in the House. Because what Senator Natasha has displayed is indiscipline, and now using sexual harassment as a blackmail against the Senate president. She's just parading the sexual harassment as a blackmail. It has nothing to do with what transpired on the day of when this issue started. It first started with removal of her as the chair of local content, and then also reassigning her to a new seat, which did not affect her alone. It affected other senators as well. So why is she taking it personal? And why is she being unruly at the floor of the House? We expected her that she should, even if she has grievance, she should express her grievance. They have methods or ways of addressing issues in the House first. If she has exploited all areas of addressing such issues in the House, and she did not get justice, that is when we expect her to now cry out. And not crying out for an incident that happened in 2023, a sexual, according to her, allegedly, that happened in 2023, and marrying it with what is happening now. We as Nigerian women, we will not fall for blackmail. We expect that even while we push for more women political participation, we should do it with emotional intelligence and not emotional blackmail.
We must come together to speak against this satanism. I support proper investigation to continue or to start concerning this Natasha versus Akpabio's sexual harassment case. What is your own take concerning what Deji talk and the video of these protesters? Put it on the comment section. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time on our live broadcast. Take care and bye for now.